Chapter 1. The Boy Who Lived. Mr. and Mr. Durley live at number 4 Private Drive. They are a perfect, normal family. They are a perfect, normal family. They do not like anything that is different or strange, and they hate mysterious things most of all. They prefer a life that is calm, ordinary, and without any surprise. Mr. Durley is the director of a large company. He is a very fat man with a very short neck. He has a long mustache. Mrs. Durley, his wife, is thin and was blonde hair. Her neck is extremely long. She used her long neck to look over the fence in her garden. She likes to watch her neighbor. She's a gossip. The Dudley have a younger son. His name is Dudley. The Dudleys think Dudley is the perfect son. The Dudleys have everything they want, but they also have a secret. Mr. Dudley has a sister. Her name is Mr. Porter, but Miss Dudley pretends she does not have a sister. She pretends she does not have a sister because her sister does not live a normal, ordinary life. Mr. Porter, his husband, are very strange and very different. They are very Dudleys. Like the Dudleys, this Porter have a younger son, but the Dudleys does not have a twin son. Dudley to be around the Porter son. The Dudley wake up on Thursday morning. It seems like perfectly normal Thursday morning, but the day is about to change. It is about to become very strange and mysterious. It does hate strange and mysterious things.